I just discovered 3 insane YouTube channels making tens of thousands of dollars every month using nothing but AI. After breaking down how they create their videos, I decided to expose the exact process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pick a niche and start your own faceless channel that's already proven to work. But first, let me show you the numbers. One channel posts AI history videos, just 22 videos and already 9 million views with over 300,000 subscribers. Another posts fake text videos with only 47 uploads but over 100 million views, and the creator got monetized on his very first video. The third channel posts Reddit stories and has pulled in over 500 million views in just a few months. This proves YouTube automation is one of the best businesses to start right now, and AI makes it easier than ever. And the best part? I found an AI tool that can create videos in all 3 of these niches in just a few clicks, without those low-quality AI videos the algorithm hates. I'll also show you how to build a properly branded channel so yours actually stands out. Now, let's start with the first channel, which is in the history niche. For the channel branding, we're going to use a new tool called DeepSeek. This tool has been blowing up lately because it's absolutely crushing ChatGPT with its insane capabilities and unlocked knowledge. Now, open DeepSeek and ask it to generate a list of channel names for your history channel. You can copy the exact prompts I'm using. You can find them in my Telegram channel, linked in the description. And just like that, you'll have a list of unique and original names ready to go. Next, pick a name you like and ask DeepSeek to generate a human and engaging channel description for it. Now that we've got the name and description, I'll show you how to create the perfect logo with literally zero effort. First, ask DeepSeek to create a logo image prompt that perfectly represents your channel. Make sure to copy the entire prompt I'm using for the best results. Okay, now, once you've got the prompt, simply copy it and head over to a tool called Leonardo AI. Once you're in, open the image creation tool on the left here. Make sure to set the image dimensions to 1:1 since we're creating a logo, and set the preset to Leonardo Phoenix for the best results. Once you're done, paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. This process should take around 30 seconds, and once it's done, boom! We've created some logo examples that are on a next level. Now, simply choose the logo you want and download it. Once you've generated the channel name, description, and logo, head over to YouTube and create your channel. The results should look like this, and honestly, this is the best and easiest way to create a perfectly optimized channel. Now, let's get back to the channel we're recreating. As you can see, this creator literally gets millions of views on every video they post. And guess what? It's not as hard as you might think. I'm going to show you how you can create videos just like his, but way better. Remember that secret tool I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, that tool is called Short AI, and trust me, this tool is going to blow your mind. Go ahead and open Short AI. Once you're in, to create a history video, you need to use the AI video option, so go ahead and open it. Here you'll find a script box. This is where you'll implement your video script. To create the video script, we'll use DeepSeek, so go ahead and open it. Now listen, some of you are getting little to no views on your videos, and let's be honest, it's because you're creating video scripts that suck. If you really want your videos to get tons of views and go viral, you need a script that's engaging and keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. That's why I created a powerful prompt that gives you the perfect script every time. Proven to work. And I have also made it special because you can use it as many times as you want, and it will always generate a unique script, so you can create unlimited videos with it. Now, go ahead and paste the prompt into DeepSeek and click Generate. As I mentioned earlier, you can find all of the prompts in my Telegram channel, which is linked in the description. Once you've got the script ready, make sure to copy it. Then head over to Short AI and paste it into the script box. Then simply click on Generate Script, and in a few seconds, Short AI customize your script and make it more engaging. Now after this, click on Next Step, and a new page appear on your screen. Now choose a preset style for the video, and then click on the subtitle preset on the left side. Here you can see many caption presets. Captions are the most important element to make your video engaging, so choose one carefully. Next, if you open the Voices section, you'll find multiple voices to choose from. I'll be using Luke and Rock, because hands down, he's the most viral voice to date. Short AI also has a background music library. Go ahead and open it. You'll see tons of options. Simply choose one that matches the vibe of your video. Once everything is ready, click on Next Step. Short AI will start generating voices, images, and other elements. This process might take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Next Step again, and in just a few minutes, your video will be ready to go. As you can see, this tool does everything for you. It creates the images, adds the voiceover, and even includes transitions and effects to make your video pop. To download it, simply click the download button, select 60 frames per second for the best quality, and finally hit download. Now let's take a look at how the final video turns out.
He was the most powerful man in the world, Emperor of Rome, master of millions, and he had a secret that could get him killed in front of 80,000 people. I will not be a mere philosopher like my father. Meet Emperor Commodus. Son of the legendary Marcus Aurelius, he inherited an empire at its peak. But he was not interested in philosophy or governing.
This is just a small part of the video so we don't waste any time, but as you can see, the video came out perfect. Now, let me show you how you can create your second channel. This one's in the fake text niche. This creator is posting fake text videos that come with a hilarious plot twist. And guess what? It actually works. He's pulling in millions of views on every single video, which makes him thousands of dollars every month. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate a channel just like this. Open DeepSeek and ask it to create channel name ideas for a fake text channel. Once you have the names ready, choose the one you like and ask DeepSeek to create a channel description for the name you've selected. To create a logo, ask it to generate an image prompt that you'll use in Leonardo AI to design a fake text channel logo. You can use the exact prompt I'm using, and trust me, you'll get great results. Now, copy the entire image prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. Use the same settings as before, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. As you can see, this prompt delivers some pretty amazing logos that perfectly match our channel niche. Simply download the one you like, head over to YouTube, and create your channel. It should look just as good as the one I've created. Okay, now let me show you how you can create videos that are even better than the ones this creator is posting. First, you need to create a video script. But here's the thing, I'm not going to show you how to create some boring robotic script that gets 0 views. I'm going to show you how to craft a script that actually works. First, go ahead and open DeepSeek. Now, listen, the prompt I'm using is perfectly crafted to give you a video script that's proven to work in these viral videos. So, just copy the entire prompt I'm using, paste it into DeepSeek, and click Generate. Once you have your full video script ready, open short.ai. Since we're creating a fake text video, go ahead and open the fake text video tool. Here you'll see the text characters, basically the sender and the receiver. In our script, we have Blake as the sender and Jenna as the receiver. So write Jenna in the name box. After that, head into the messages. This is where you'll add your blank messages. To make it easy, click Add Left, then click Add Right. Keep alternating until you have 20 text boxes ready to go. Now go back to your script. Copy the first message and paste it into the first text box. Copy the second message and paste it into the second box. Repeat this process for the entire script. Once all messages are added, your text flow will look exactly like a real conversation. Next, go to the theme menu. Here, you'll find different text layouts to choose from. I personally prefer dark mode, so that's what I'll use. Pick whichever style you like best. Next, go to the voices menu, and you'll see options for character voices. Pick the voice you want for each character, and you're all set. Finally, click Create Video. Boom! Your video is ready. All that's left is to click Download, and that's it. You now have a perfect fake text video ready to share. Let's take a look at how the final video turns out.
Jenna, I need you to come over right now. It's an emergency of the highest order.
What's wrong? Did your sourdough starter revolt again?
Worse, my sister left her pet here while she's on vacation.
Okay, and you're scared of Mr. Puffkins, the 15-year-old Persian? He just sleeps and judges.
It's not Mr. Puffkins. She got a new pet.
A dog? A rabbit? Just tell me, I'm getting my shoes on.
It's a snake, a python. His name is Monty.
Oh, okay, that's new. But snakes are low maintenance. Just keep the tank closed.
The tank is not closed, Jenna.
This is just a short sample of the full video, but as you can see, it looks really good, especially considering how easy it is to create, which is just crazy. But guess what? We're not done yet. Now I'm going to show you how to create the third channel, which is in the Reddit niche. And trust me, these videos are going to be even easier to make. But first, let's create our channel. Just like before, ask DeepSeek to give you channel name ideas for a Reddit Stories channel. Once you have the names ready, choose the one you like and ask it to create a channel description using the name you've selected. As for the logo, this time I'm using a different prompt, but don't worry, you can find it in my Telegram channel. Just copy it and you'll have a logo prompt ready to go. Next, copy the logo prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, and just like that, you'll have a perfectly branded logo for your channel. Simply choose the one you like, download it, and head over to YouTube to create your channel. And here's how the example channel I've created looks like. Now I'm going to show you how to create these viral Reddit videos, which you've probably seen them all over the place. And the best part is that it'll take you literally just a few clicks to make a video like this. First, go ahead and open Reddit. Now in the search bar, simply type in stories, and thousands of stories will pop up. You'll need to go through them and find a story that's truly interesting. For example, I found a story, so I'll use it as an example. Now, what you need to do is click on the share button and copy the link. Next, head over to Short Eye and open the Reddit story tool. Here, simply paste the link into the link box, and after that, click Apply. Now, click Next and choose Background. For our video, I choose this one, and again, click Next now. Here, choose Caption Style. Again, caption is most important thing to make video in gang. I choose this one and click on Next again. Here you see many. Simply select the one you like, and that's it. Once everything is ready, let's download the video and see how it turns out.
What's a crazy story you've been wanting to tell, but there's never been a thread specific enough for it? Okay, long, useless story of fuckery ahead. A few years ago, I was promoted to a management position within the software company I work for. I was told I was handpicked for the job, and though it was a big promotion, I would not receive a pay increase until I had the team performing at minimum required performance standards.
That was just a small part of the full video, and to be honest, considering the minimal time it took to create, it's pretty insane what AI can do in 2025. Now, you have a full guide on how to create a channel and the perfect videos you need in all 3 niches. So, all that's left is for you to choose a niche and start your first successful channel. Keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.